Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching to this presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jessica Putra Hardinisa. I'm from Postgraduate Department of Agronomy 11 Maret University. I would like to share our study result with the title Crowd Variation and Pollen Accumulation of Echinacea purpurea cultivated to Calcium Chloride Salinity. First of all, the background of this research are Echinacea purpurea or purple palm flower is a medicinal plant introduced from North America. Echinacea has benefit for human as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immunoregulatory. According to the Indonesia Central Statistic Agency, the production of traditional medicine in 2018 until 2019 increased by 18.58%. The use of medicinal plants as raw material for traditional medicine has increased due to many disease outbreaks affect the human body because Echinacea is an introduced plant and has benefit in increasing the immune system. So the development of medical raw material in Indonesia from Echinacea needs to be done with utilizing suboptimal lands such as saline land. Saline land caused by high salt levels, for example, calcium chloride concentration. Salt levels can increase in saline soils, causing plants to stress that plants responding to protect plants under salinity stress with morphological change in growth and physiological by accumulating proline. Three accessions were used to determine which Echinacea accessions were tolerant to salinity stress, so that of tiny plants that are tolerant of salinity and have the potential to be developed. Next, the research aims of number 1 to study the dynamic of growth and protein accumulation at some level of calcium chloride, and of number 2 is to determine the accession of Echinacea that is tolerant to salinity stress to be developed in Indonesia. Next, for the method, Echinacea was planted in 2020 until June 2021 at Chumantonos Greenhouse, 11 Maret University, Karanganyar, Central Java, Indonesia, and pollen analyzed in April until May 2021 at Plant Science Laboratory, Faculty of Agriculture, Gadjah Mada University, Yogyakarta, Central Java, Indonesia. This study used a completely randomized design factorial with two factors. The first factor is three accession Echinacea based on different the shape and color of flower, and the two factor is for concentration calcium chloride family 0 ppm, 2500 ppm, 5000 ppm, and 10,000 ppm. Each treatment was repeated 5 times so that the number of experimental units obtained was 60 experimental units. Next, research implementation of the first is seed selection from Research and Development Center for Medicinal Plant and Traditional Medicine in Tawangmangu, and Echinacea seeds are sown until the age of 5 weeks, then making planting materials for planting medium with soil, manure, and rice hugs with ratio 2 to 1 to 1, and Echinacea seedlings moved to the planting medium. Then treatment of calcium chloride was applied to the vegetative base of the plants as much 4 times starting at 4, 5, 6, and 7 weeks after planting, with watering interval once week once, with watering volume of 500 ml. Plant maintenance includes watering, weeding, and pest control by manual. Harvesting was done on the eggs plant of 16 weeks after planting, and observation includes growth and pollen accumulation. Growth observation include a plant height, number of leaves, and number of branches measured at the age of 1 to 16 weeks after planting, and observation of pollen accumulation was done on the eggs plant of 8 weeks after planting. The research data were analyzed on statistical product and service solution with analysis of variance and analysis of simple correlation with Dungeon multiple rank test method level of 5%. And the next slide is our study result about crowd observation on 3 accession of Echinacea are shown in table 1. that the higher of calcium chloride concentration can decrease plant height, number of leaves, and number of branches in tree accession of echinacea. Accession 2 showed the best result on crowd observation. Why this is happen? This is happen because the dissolved calcium chloride in the soil causing osmotic stress, which makes it difficult for plants to absorb water, so that the plant cell division and enlargement is hampered. Next, based on table 2 about result of proline accumulation on tree accession of echinacea, so the height of calcium chloride concentration can increase proline accumulation in the tree accession of echinacea. The highest proline accumulation was found in accession 2. Proline content increased in stress condition caused by the ability of plants to regulate osmotic pressure with increasing non-toxic soluble compounds such as proline as a physiological response to salinity stress. Next slide, based on table 3, so that proline accumulation with the growth of echinacea plant has a negative correlation, meaning that if proline accumulation increase but the growth of echinacea decrease, it is thought to causing cell stress. Okay, from this study, we can conclude that number 1 is the high calcium chloride concentration in tree accession of echinacea can be decreased in plant height, number of leaves, and number of branch. And number 2 is calcium chloride concentration of 10,000 ppm can increase proline accumulation by 83.56% in tree accession of echinacea. And number 3 is accession 2 of echinacea showed the best result in all observation compared to accession 1 and accession 3. So that accession 2 could be categorized as accession tolerant to salinity stress. And the next slide, this is a reference that I used in this presentation. And that's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation will be beneficial for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.